the hell is going on? The dust has only just...
I will accept that at some point this weekend, someone will... Okay, Mom.
Her heart rate's dropping. She's coding.
Began to fall, crop circles in the carpet, sinking feeling. Spin me round again and rub my eyes. This can't be happening when busy streets a mess with people would stop to hold their heads heavy. Hide and seek, trains and sewing machines. All those years, they were here first. Oily marks appear on walls where pleasure moments hung before the takeover. The sweeping insensitivity of this still life. Hide and seek, trains and sewing machine. Catch me around here. Blood and tears. They were here first. What you say? That you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need, and you decided this. What you say? What did she say?
She was fiercely independent. Brooke Davis. Brilliant and beautiful and brave. In 2 years, she'd grown more than anyone I had ever known. Brooke Davis is going to change the world someday, and I'm not sure she even knows it.